Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the search bar is missing at the top of the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Chrome and select the three-dotted menu icon up at the top right corner of Chrome, and then go down and select Settings. On the left side, select where it says Search Engine. So versus search engine, go ahead and select the change button. Change it to something else and then select set default. And then you can change it to something else. So let's say you liked Google, you have to change it to something else in here. And then once you've set that as default, then go back in here and change it back to Google. And then kind of doing like a reset on that. So that hopefully then the search bar should reappear at that point if for some reason it wasn't visible. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.